I believe you were 3 years old when your family was driving past this hula studio.
Yes.
And you said that you wanted to enroll. I don't know if this may come as a shock to you or not, but I guess not many Broadway performers have trained in the hula. So
That's right.
what are some of the unique advantages of training the hula as compared to conventional dance forms that benefit you in your work?
Well, hula is storytelling essentially through movement. And I think that's kind of why I like telling stories as well, because you listen to the lyrics and we literally, we do mountains and we do love and like eyes like to the heavens, and it's telling a story. And I think that benefited me into where I am now as far as storytelling. I think it's also good to just be culturally aware as well. I feel like a lot of people don't have that. And I learned cultural dance, and I feel like jazz, ballet, and tap, like, yes, that is a culture within itself, but it's kind of just bare American European culture, essentially. So I'm always thankful that my parents kept like culture very alive within me, because I think that stands me apart from other people.